Now, quickly let's revise what we had. Let me see how many of you remember anything what we did before the unit test. Yes, before we started with the
Things
unit
around
test,
us.
we had
Thank you,
started with
Ahmed.
this chapter. Ayat, Ayat Rizvi, name any two man-made things in your room just now.
Man-made things का नाम बताओ.
आप जिस रूम में बैठी हैं, जिस रूम में आप बैठी हैं, वहां पर कोई भी दो चीजों को देखिए जो
Man-made
मैन
things
ने
बताओ.
बनाई है, गॉड ने नहीं बनाई है,
बोलो
नेचर ने नहीं.
मोबाइल,
मैन
फैन.
मेड, एनी टू मैन मेड थिंग्स. कम ऑन टेल मी.
Sheet,
नहीं, मैम जो
clock
पूछे
and
बताओ.
bed, ma'am.
यस
Clock and
आयत.
bed.
बेड एंड.
Clock and bed. Dressing table.
Okay, dressing table, bed. Okay, very good. Right, Vijwal, can you name any two things in your room that are man made? Visual, cooler and AC. All right. Okay, very good. Anay, can you name two things? Anay, name two things in your room that have been made by man. आपके रूम में दो ऐसी चीजों के नाम बताइए जो मैन ने बनाई है.
Bathroom.
ओके. वॉशरूम. यस अनय, सोच के बताइए. जिस चीज पर आप बैठे हुए हैं,
Bedroom.
जिस चीज पर आप बैठे हुए हैं, व्हाट इज दैट? अनय, जिस चीज पे आप बैठे हैं अभी उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Chair.
Chair.
Yes, that's a chair. So chair has been made by man. All the non-living things, children, have been made by man. Table, chair, furniture, cupboards, the house that you live in, right? Your cars, all the vehicles, everything has been made by man. And natural things are those things that are already present in nature. Now, look at this page. These are called man-made things, जो चीज़ें man ने बनाई हैं. And these are natural things. Natural things are those that are already present in nature and have been made by God. Clouds, rivers,
Bag.
ponds, mountains, water, sun, moon, stars. All these things are all natural things that are already present in nature. They have been made by God. Right? So remember now, याद आ गया हम लोग ने यूनिट टेस्ट शुरू होने के पहले क्या करा था? Omash, do you remember now? Name two natural things,
Yes,
Omash.
ma'am.
Omash, name two natural things. Look at this picture. Don't look at mummy. Oman, look at this picture. See this beautiful picture and name any two natural things.
Ma'am, tree.
Trees, okay. What else?
Clouds.
House. House is man-made.
Excuse me, ma'am. Mountain.
Clouds, okay. Clouds, yes. Manjeet, page number 25.
Mountain. And rock.
Yes, Hardik. Hardik. Name any two natural things. Name any two natural things. Answer straight, Hardik. Yes. Name two natural things. Birds.
Animals. Water.
Okay. Hardik is naming a lot of things. Okay. Thank you, Hardik. All right. Thank you, Hardik. So Hardik has named a number of things: birds, clouds, trees, water. All this is natural. These are all natural things that are already present in nature. Now, once again, I'm going to read from page number 24. Put your finger there, all of you. We have already done the picture that is given there. Complete the names of the things shown in the picture. Bird, tree, cap, shoe. We see many things around us. Some of these things are made by man. Some occur naturally. Naturally means जो पहले से ही है. They are already present. Let us learn about them. Now come to page number 25. Page number 25. Man-made and natural things. Things that are made by man are known as man-made things. Things that are made by man are known as man-made things. The book you read, the pencil you write with, the bag in which you carry your books, houses, cars, and many other things are made by man. Man has made lots of things for their convenience. Yes, man ने अपनी सुविधा के लिए बहुत सी चीज़ें बनाई हैं. See, the pictures are given there. You have the school bag picture, house, car. Then the next line says, things that are not made by man are known as natural things. Things that are not made by man are known as natural things. They are already present in nature. Mountains, rocks, rivers, clouds, and many other things occur naturally. Occur means होना. वो बहुत पहले से ही है. चीज़ें naturally occur करती हैं अपने आप. God ने उन्हें create करा है. वो nature में they are given to us free. They are given to us free by God. We don't have to pay anything for the rain. We don't have to pay anything to get sunlight. Do we have to pay anything? Nothing. This is all given to us free by God. These are all natural things. Sometimes when you were small, you must have been out with your parents to visit the hill stations. You must have seen the beautiful sceneries, the mountains covered with snow. All this is nature, children. Nature looks beautiful. Now look at this picture only. जब आप इस picture को ही देखेंगे, see, you feel nice to look at this picture. This is all nature. This is created by God. We like to admire nature. कभी कभी जब बारिश होती है तो विंडो के पास बैठकर आप देखते हैं ना, मम्मी से बोलते हैं देखो कितना अच्छा लग रहा है, बारिश हो रही है, the rain is falling. Yes, you like to admire nature. You see all the beautiful trees. They become fresh. And you can see some little birds flying away to protect themselves from the rain, hiding on the trees. Yes, this is all nature, children. We all like to enjoy nature. जिसके जिसके घर में गार्डन है, आप लोग कभी कभी अपने गार्डन में सुबह सुबह जाया करिए और देखा करिए कितना अच्छा लगता है. You can hear the chirping of the birds. You can see the beautiful birds. There are such beautiful birds that God has created. Small ones, big ones, you can see. और कभी कभी ना जब ऊपर स्काई की तरफ आंख उठाकर आप देखते हैं, then you can see, children, all these birds, they flies in a straight line. कभी बर्ड्स को उड़ते देखिए ऊपर स्काई में. अगर आपके घर पे छत है तो मम्मी के साथ बैठकर सुबह और शाम को देखिए. They all fly in a straight line, you know. एक के पीछे एक सब ऐसे करके उड़ते हुए जाते हैं. कभी देखा है किसी ने? नहीं देखा है. इनाया हैज सीन. ओके, जिसने नहीं देखा, मम्मी के साथ में अगर छत है तो मम्मी के साथ में देखिए, या फिर अपने आंगन में खड़े होकर ऊपर स्काई की तरफ देखिएगा शाम को. इट लुक्स ब्यूटिफुल, यू नो. यस ईशानवी, देखा है. ओके, वेरी गुड आरा. It's nice to admire nature, children. How many of you have seen a rainbow? Have you seen a rainbow? Has anyone seen a rainbow? Yes, you've seen the rainbow. Not in the picture. In reality, have you seen the rainbow? Have you seen a real rainbow in the sky? seen? Okay, buddy, that's nice. It looks beautiful, you know. It's very nice to see the rainbow. Very nice it looks. And you know how many colors are there in the rainbow, Prashasti?
Ma'am, seven.
Seven colors, yes.
Ma'am, seven.
Those are the seven colors. It looks beautiful, you know, to admire nature. Even I like to admire nature. That's why I'm saying, see, these are all natural things that have been made by God. God has made the world so nicely. See? Okay, now you will remember what are natural things and what are man made things. Natural things that are already present in nature, and man made things are that have been made by man. Now turn the page, come to page 26. Come to page 26. Living and non-living things. You already read about many natural things. They can be living or non-living. Living things are those that need food. They grow, breathe, feel, and produce babies. They can move on their own. Animal, plants, and human beings are living things. Now remember, I told you living things and non-living things. Some natural things, some natural things can be living and non-living. For example, plants. Plants are natural and they are living. Plants are natural and they are living things. Remember this, children, because plants grow. Plants grow, they need water, they need air, they need sunlight to grow. Plants grow करते हैं, बड़े होते हैं, हमें fruits देते हैं, vegetables देते हैं. Yes, so plants are natural things and they are also called living things because they grow, right? And living things are those that can breathe, that can feel. ब्रीद मीन्स सांस लेना, जो सांस ले सकते हैं. You know, children, the plants also breathe. They have small little holes on the leaves, they breathe through that. That is why they are called living things. And we are called living things. We human beings, we are living things. We can breathe, we can feel and produce babies. Even the animals are living things. Animals are living things. Plants, animals, and human beings. Show me three fingers. Plants, animals, and human beings are living things. Plants, animals, and human beings are living things. Remember this, children, because we can feel, we can grow, right? Remember I told you, does your table move on its own? Can your table talk? The table in your room
No,
cannot
ma'am.
talk. It cannot talk. Can it move on its own?
Living thing. Non-living thing, ma'am.
It cannot talk. It cannot move. So table is a non-living thing. Your school bag, pencil, eraser, all these are non-living things. Now look at the beautiful pictures given over there of the living things. The animals are there. See the different animals, elephant, giraffe, lion, zebra, and there's a hippo also. Yes, the beautiful animals. Okay, now they have given the different pictures telling you what living things can do. Living things can move. Look at these children, how they are jumping around and playing. Living things can move. Then the second picture, living things can produce babies. You can see little baby here. And then the last picture you can see, living things grow. Living things grow. Like you children, you are small today and gradually you are growing big. जब आप नर्सरी में थे तब आप छोटे थे, अभी आप क्लास 1 में आ गए, आप बड़े हो गए. So living things grow, right? Next paragraph says, non-living things are those that do not need food. नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स को खाने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है। आपका चेयर, टेबल, एसी, कूलर्स, ये सब आपसे खाना मांगता है? आपका टेबल आपसे
No,
बोलता है
ma'am.
मुझे खाना चाहिए?
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
Rishita, your table doesn't say give me food, Rishita, I'm hungry. Does your table
No,
say?
ma'am.
No. Okay. Aradhya, do your headphones say that they are hungry?
No, ma'am.
No, your headphones don't say they are hungry because they are non-living things. Yes. Arav, does your chair say that it is hungry?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. Vijwal, what about you? Vijwal, does the door tell you that I'm hungry? The door behind you, does it tell you I'm hungry, Vijwal? मुझे खाना दे दो. Yes? No? Why? Why no? Vijwal, why no? Because it is a non-living thing. Yes, because it is a non-living thing. Now see, Prashasti is sitting on a nice revolving chair.
मैम
Prashasti,
को खाना नहीं
नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स को खाना की जरूरत नहीं होती है. प्रशस्ति, दिस चेयर विच यू आर सिटिंग इन, you can revolve, you can go around in the chair. Prashasti, can you hear me?
यस मैम
Yes, on the chair
यस
which
मैम
you are sitting right now, you can move around, you can revolve on the chair.
मैम
It's got wheels, no? Yes.
यस
Yes, so your chair can move. Yes, but does it ask you to give food?
नो मैम नो मैम
No, it doesn't, because it's a non-living thing. Non-living things को खाने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है. Non-living things अपने आप एक जगह से दूसरी जगह नहीं जा सकते हैं. अपने आप नहीं जा सकते हैं. आपको उठाकर उनको दूसरी जगह पे रखना होता है. जब आपकी क्लासेस ख़त्म हो जाती हैं, when you finish your classes and you pack your bag, you close your books. बुक्स अपने आप उठ के बैग में जाती है या आप उसको रखते हैं बैग में? यू कीप योर बुक्स. यस, बिकॉज दीज आर नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स. Books are
Yes, ma'am.
non-living things. They cannot move on their own. Remember, children, living things and non-living things. Living things cannot move on their own. They cannot talk. They don't eat. Nothing they can do. We have to move them. We have to put them in. अगर किसी चीज़ को एक जगह से दूसरी जगह रखना है, we have to do it, right? And living things सब कुछ अपने आप करते हैं. आप अपने आप खाना खाते हैं. Yes, आप एक जगह से दूसरी जगह, एक रूम से दूसरे रूम में अपने आप चल के जाते हैं. Yes, आपका मोबाइल फ़ोन अपने आप चल के जाता है. अगर आप एक रूम से दूसरे रूम में जा रहे हैं तो मोबाइल आपके पीछे पीछे आ जाता है. आपको लेकर जाना होता है ना उसको. वेरी सैड, नो? अगर मोबाइल भी अपने आप चल के आ जाता तो कितना अच्छा होता ना. आप जल्दी से जाकर वहाँ बैठ जाते, मोबाइल अपने आप ऑन हो जाता और क्लासेस अटेंड कर लेते. यस, but that's not it, because your mobile phones are also non-living things. Non-living things कुछ नहीं कर सकते. Remember that living things can do everything. So you have to remember, अगर कोई आपसे पूछेगा what are living things, then you have to say living things can move, they can talk, they can eat, they can breathe, they can grow. Living things, and non-living things, they cannot do anything. Living things can do everything. Non-living things कुछ नहीं कर सकते हैं अपने आप. Living things can talk, living things can breathe, living things feel hungry, like you and I, we feel hungry. Yes, जब बहुत तेज भूख लगी होती है तो पेट से आवाज़ आती है ना कि भूख लग रही है, खाना दे दो। शुभ, भूख लगती है तो खाना चाहिए ना? यस,
Yes, ma'am.
यस। So living things feel hungry also. Living things need food. Okay, so now you have some pictures given here of non-living things. Look here. The chair, bed, TV, right? And then you have the table also. These are all non-living things. Now come to page number 27, children. It says check your progress. Write any three man-made things that you see in the classroom. Now we are in the classroom today. See, you can see behind me.
Yes, ma'am. Why?
Can you see? That's a soft board.
Yes,
That's a soft
ma'am.
board. Inaya, can you see the soft board? We put charts on that, you know, children? See, I'll try to show it to you. There are some charts there. See, can you see? There's a chart over there. Soft board. That's called a soft board. Right? And I've got some charts here also. These are the windows of your class. See, this is your classroom, children. Your classroom. You can see the furniture. See.
Ma'am, classroom.
Yes, this is your classroom. You can see the furniture. See. This is your class. Can you see the tables and desks? अगर आप स्कूल आ रहे होते तो अभी आप इस क्लास में बैठकर अपना पढ़ाई कर रहे होते. Right? That's the green board over there. Can you see? So you can see so many things in the class. And you have to write only three things.
Ma'am.
Yes. Yes.
मैं क्लास को बहुत मिस कर रहा हूँ.
क्लास को मिस करते हैं तो जल्दी से प्रेयर करा करिए अच्छे से कि सब कुछ ठीक हो जाए.
मैम me too.
Now see, today I am in school, I am in your class, I am showing you your classroom. We also miss you. We also miss you, children. We also want you to be in the classroom. मैम को भी अच्छा लगता है जब मैम के बच्चे क्लास में बैठते हैं, साथ में हम लोग पढ़ाई करते हैं ना. इंटरवल होता है, ब्रेक में नीचे खेलने जाते हैं. यस, you are missing a lot of things. I know, children, it's very sad, but we can't help it. We have to just keep ourselves safe. Yes, Aradhya?
मैं आपको मिस करती हूँ.
Yes, even I miss you.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ronek?
I miss you, classroom.
Yes, even I miss you a lot, children. अब आप लोग सब प्रेयर करा करिए कि जल्दी से सब कुछ ठीक हो जाए तो फिर आप भी स्कूल आ सकते हैं.
मैम कब से फोन करना है?
यस रोनेक?
मैम कब से फोन करना?
अभी कुछ नहीं पता बेटे, अभी तो बाहर भी मत निकलिएगा. मम्मी पापा की बात सुनिएगा, अच्छे बच्चे बन के रहिएगा, बिल्कुल बाहर कहीं मत जाइएगा. एंड बी केयरफुल, वॉश योर हैंड्स रेगुलरली. ओके, वेयर योर मास्क. इन केस कहीं जा रहे हैं तो मास्क ज़रूर लगा के जाइएगा. डोंट फॉरगेट. एंड मेक श्योर यू चेंज द मास्क रेगुलरली. We have to take all the precautions, children. We have to be very careful just now. Things are not very good. चीज़ें अभी बहुत अच्छी नहीं हैं तो हमें बहुत ध्यान रखना है. ओके? यस हयात?
Excuse me, ma'am.
यस.
मैम मैंने आपकी जो वीडियो देखी थी.
यस हयात, I can't hear you.
मैम मैंने आपकी यूट्यूब में वीडियो देखी थी.
Okay, that's nice. All right, so now you will complete this. You will write any 3 things that are man made which you can see in your classroom. You will complete
Excuse me,
this.
ma'am.
Yes?
मैम मैं आपके पास डैडी के साथ मिलने आऊंगी।
Yes, Prashasti?
मैम मैं डैडी के साथ आपसे मिलने आऊंगी।
You don't have to come to school just now. Okay? Be careful, you don't have to come to school just now. Take care, stay at home just now, child. Take care of yourself. Okay? Don't go out anywhere. Things are not safe just now. You have to be at home. Right? Okay, so let's quickly revise. We see many things around us. Man-made things are made by man, like car, bus, books, etc. Natural things are not made by man, like rivers, hills, stones, etc. Living things eat food, grow, breathe, move, feel, and produce babies. Right? Now, write true or false. These exercises we will do in the next science class. Now, all of you remember today you're going to read the lesson. You will read the lesson and learn up all the difficult words. You will learn up all the difficult words, children. Right? Make sure reading is very important. I always tell you keep reading, and in each subject all the new words, all the difficult words that you come across, you have to learn them. हम शुरू से आपको बोल रहे हैं, अभी फिर से बोल रहे हैं, spellings are very important. You have to learn them. Once you learn the spellings, you won't have any problems. Right? Now, all of you, join your hands, close your eyes, and before 1 minute, one very important thing. You have to attend all the classes. You have to attend all the classes. Some children, they are attending one class, attendance हो जाती है, उसके बाद बाकी के classes में absent हो जाते हैं. ऐसे नहीं चलेगा. सारे क्लासेस आपके दिन में जितने भी क्लासेस होते हैं वो सब अटेंड करने. और याद रखिएगा आज आपकी क्राफ्ट की क्लास है. आज आपकी क्राफ्ट की क्लास है. याद है मैंने मैसेज करा था क्लास ग्रुप में. ओमंश याद है?
Yes, ma'am.
कितने बजे से है? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, today is your craft class. You know what time?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, craft ma'am. 11.
Craft
Ma'am,
class.
11 ma'am. Okay. Ma'am, craft ma'am का नेम क्या है?
Craft ma'am is Ma'am Gautam. Ma'am J Gautam. Okay, Ma'am J Gautam.
Ma'am,
You will have a 11 o'clock पे आपकी क्लास है. याद रखिएगा, ज्वाइन जरूर करिएगा. Yes, इनाया.
ओके मैम. मैम कौन से ग्रुप पे होगी? मैम क्राफ्ट में
11 o'clock पे आपकी क्लास है क्राफ्ट की.
मैम कौन से ग्रुप पे होगी? ग्रुप पे
बेटा ग्रुप इसी ग्रुप में, हमारा जो क्लास का ग्रुप है इसी ग्रुप में मैंने मैम को ऐड करा है. मैम इसी ग्रुप में लिंक पोस्ट करेंगी और आप लोग ज्वाइन करेंगे.
ओके मैम.
Got it? It will be a combined class, class C and D. So remember, जल्दी से ज्वाइन करिएगा जैसे ही मैम लिंक पोस्ट करेंगी. Yes? Today मैम will teach you. She will be guiding you craft के लिए, right? Make sure you are attending all the classes because all the subject teachers will give me the attendance. अगर आप मेरी क्लासेस अटेंड कर रहे हैं, दूसरे सब्जेक्ट्स अटेंड नहीं करेंगे तो आपको एब्सेंट मार्क करा जाएगा. ये याद रखिएगा. ओके, सारे क्लासेस डेली अटेंड करने हैं. अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो मम्मी पापा को बोलिएगा, मुझे पर्सनल पे इन्फॉर्म कर देंगे. जिस दिन भी आप अटेंड नहीं कर पाएंगे, कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो आप मुझे इन्फॉर्म करेंगे. राइट? Now all of you join your hands, close your eyes, we'll say our prayers. Oh God, I thank you for all the people and this beautiful world which makes such a difference in my life. Thank you for my school and for everything I learned here. to make me able someday to earn my own living and to live my own life with your everlasting guidance. Help me to understand a little better all the wonderful things which you have given to me. This I ask for your love's sake. Amen. So, good morning and thank you, children. Have a nice day.
Thank you,
Remember to attend your craft class.
ma'am.